Question 9. A clock loses 18 seconds every hour. It was set to the correct time at 8 o'clock on Monday morning. What time will it read the following Saturday at 20 minutes past 11 in the morning? First, how much real time has passed? From Monday 8 a.m. to Saturday 8 a.m. is 5 whole days. That's 5 times 24, 120 hours. Then from 8 a.m. to 11:20 is a further 3 hours and 20 minutes. Altogether, that is 123 hours and 20 minutes. 20 minutes is a third of an hour, so this is 123 and a third hours, which is 370 over 3 hours. The clock loses 18 seconds for every hour, so the total lost is 18 times 370 over 3 seconds. The 3 divides into 18 to give 6, and 6 times 370 is 2,220 seconds. Turn that into minutes. 2,220 divided by 60 is 37 minutes. Finally, because the clock is losing time, it is slow. It shows a time behind the real time. So we subtract the 37 minutes from 20 past 11. 20 past 11, take away 37 minutes, is 10:43 in the morning. Well done. That's question 9 complete.